exactly the same day Donald Trump started his mandate, Nancy Pelosi disclosed her latest investments. Stay until the end of the video because what she did on the stock market is really interesting.
This is something not casual, in my opinion. Probably, she said, I have to tell to the world that I invested heavily in Nvidia, Amazon, Palo Alto Network, again in Nvidia, and Alphabet, and Vistra Corporation, which is one of the best performer shares for the 2024. It's better if I disclose my position today, the day when Trump administration start. So journalists will never talk about me, but will talk about Trump. But dear Nancy, we have the forecaster and we spotted you. Of course, I'm joking, but this is something really interesting. In my opinion, the interesting fact that we can analyze in this list of trades is this. Look, Tempus AI, which is an interesting company active in the healthcare sector, but of course the company is using AI, this new technology, in the healthcare sector. And look, this is what really impressed me. Look the amount Nancy Pelosi sold in Apple shares. We are talking about an amount between 10 million and 25 million dollars. This politician really doesn't believe anymore in Apple. And this is something really interesting. Let's talk about Apple. Let's open the page. Let's go to the specific page for Apple, and let's go on the fundamental page. Here, as you can see, we have sales and net income, and as you can see, guys, this company is flat since 2022. And this is something really risky, because if this company, which at the moment is fairly priced on the market, if this company doesn't find a new way to increase sales and net income, will probably start to go down. Okay? This is something really interesting, because as you can see, the company is not going anywhere. And with a company which is so big, we are talking about a $3.32 trillion in market cap, surprising the world again and again, it's very, very difficult, okay? Of course, the company is solid. Of course, the company is doing huge buybacks, and this is why the share price probably went up in the last 6 months. But now be careful, because look at the net income. It's not growing, and we don't know if Apple will be able to find something else to disrupt the world again, like they did with iPhone many years ago. Okay? Kevin is asking me, is there a way to access past webinar as a subscriber? No worries, Kevin, because you can find all our webinars, maybe divided in parts, because I do extract of the webinars every week, but you can find everything on our YouTube channel. I can share with you, and all the other one, the link of our YouTube channel, so you can have a look. Thank you very much for your question. And of course, you can find many videos, because every week you can find me here at the weekly webinar. Nancy Pelosi, which invested, for example, in Nvidia, Palo Alto Networks, Amazon, and all these companies that are involved in artificial intelligence field is heavily selling Apple. Okay, this is something really amazing and really interesting. We have to watch. Okay, as I told you, Tempus AI. We are talking about a very small company, 7 billion market cap, with huge losses in the past, as you can see. And also, if we switch to quarter, this company is losing a lot of money. The last quarter, they had 108 million in sales and minus 75 million in net income. This company burns money, okay? But it's interesting because the sector is very interesting. We talked about healthcare and artificial intelligence many times in the past because try to think about it. Healthcare sector is the sector that probably will be revolutionized most from artificial intelligence. We talked about this topic many times, and this is actually a bet. Okay, I'm not really confident in investing now in Tempus AI, and probably even Miss Pelosi is not confident because she just invested an amount of money between 50K and 100K dollars. Okay, so if you think about it, this girl has more than $300 million in cash, and she's investing 50K. So actually, I don't know if they are really. I mean, they are not with the skin in the game in this case. So I don't know. I prefer to wait for this company to switch in profit, and we will find this company here in the break-even section, because in this section, as you probably know, if you use the forecaster, we can find all the companies that closed for the first time a quarter with a profit. Look, for example, this is Zumiez, and you can find it in the break-even section because the last quarter they had for the first time a profit of 1 million. Okay, of course, once the company get inside the list, we have to analyze it. But historically speaking, if you go here to the info box, as you can see, for example, Palantir was a huge success for this tool because it was the beginning of 2023, and the company had the first quarter in profit, and since then the company started to rise on the stock market. Okay, so very interesting tool. As I told you at the beginning of the year when I made the 2025 forecast, the prediction for the new year, you can find the video here on the YouTube channel. I said this tool, the break even, is something we will use a lot during 2025 because probably thanks to AI, many companies will turn in profit, and we will able to jump on the stocks of this company. Okay. Thank you, Nancy Pelosi. You gave us some really good and nice ideas for investing.
If you would like to stay updated with all the politician trades in real time, try our software Forecaster Terminal. You can find the link in the description. And remember to subscribe to our weekly webinar. It's free, and we share our best trading and investment ideas every week.